So replacing the switch on the Flojet pump. Old switch still on there obviously, and I've got a new kit switch. I'm not quite sure if they're instructions or what, and packaging, don't want that. So the part number for my pump for 25 psi, there we are. Replacement instructions, it says. So it looks like several different types there, but Flojet UK is listed there. I got this off Robinson's Caravans. They were the cheapest I could find for that switch. Not by a lot, but every little helps. And their postage was included free of charge. Right, let's get this off. So it's basically just the two screws at the bottom, nothing fancy about it. And you get all new screws in here, but I'm going to be using the old ones. So there we go, the old switch, and as you can see, it's had water in it. It's not looking neat, and I expect inside it's probably just a bit rough, the contacts are dirty. Now, can I flip that out? Well, it jumps out at me, so new diaphragm in the kit. And I was just checking, it does say the way I put it in there, so the raised lip, it shows to the switch. You can see on the bit of rubber, it's got a slightly domed side. That spring. I'm hoping the tight fit will just be enough to keep the spring contained like it was a minute ago. And, ooh, I was just about to say, and it does, but it doesn't. Okay, so as you can see, the seal just goes in there, and it's actually held in and pinched with this lip here. So now I've got to try and get that in there, like so. Am I confident it's in there okay? Yeah, okay, that's the way it seems to be. As I said before, back the screw off, you'll feel it fall into the slot. And that's primarily why I'm using the old screws, because I know they've been there before, just in case the thread is different on the other ones, but I doubt it. As far as I can tell, screw threads tend to be generic. Can somebody confirm that for me? So, wiring, one wire. 2 wires. Okay, not going to alter that. I will check on instructions in a second, but I'm sure that is preset. I hope so, because I've got no way of checking it. Well, that's the first time I've ever read that actually anywhere on any instructions. It actually says about turning the screws back to find the old threads. Good on them. And they've even highlighted it. According to the instructions I have, there's no means to, or no measurement about adjustments or a basic setting, so it must be pre-done, which I'd imagine it would be done because there's lots of these switches and there's lots of different pressure settings. My God, look at that. This is what I've just taken out, and literally that looks like it's plastic. It's all the drillings from when they made the tank. So when they drill the tank and fit all the bits and pieces, they don't even clean the tank out. Can you believe that? I'm going to go and wash that out. Well, to be fair, I was quite disgusted with that. You'd expect them to blow that tank out. I know it's not a health hazard, but and there you go, replacing the switch is relatively easy. 2 screws, 1 screw on the cap, some wires, whoopie-doo, nothing there exciting. I'm sure that anybody out there can do that. I wouldn't hesitate to recommend anybody doing it other than getting somebody else to do it. It's not complicated, and it is relatively cheap. Okay, let's go and test it. Okay, change the taps over to fill. Internal tank supply. should be enough to test. Water pump on. So there we have it, all done, in place, works perfectly every time. The only thing that I would say, if you're doing it, don't make the mistake that I did and unplug it while still pressuring the pipe. So disconnect the pump, turn the tap on until it stops running, then turn the tap back off again. Job done.